Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. That breathe in the background is yet again, but come here buddy, come here. Well, I got, how many bushels did I get? 2 bushels or 4 bushels? Anyway, I got a bunch of red pepper. What I'm gonna do is freeze it, and then after I freeze it, I'll pop the tops off of it, the little vine part, and I'll wash them, and then I'll boil vinegar and cut them so the vinegar will get into them, and I'll pack them as tight as I can into a jar. There was this one lady I used to buy my peppers from, and hers looked like a piece of art, the way she packed the peppers in there, and they were so beautiful. And she packed those peppers in there so tight, and oh man, those were the best peppers. So I've got 15 bags, and I don't even know how many jars that'll make. I'll probably make 45 jars of pepper vinegar. What we use them for in North Carolina, I eat them, I like them, is we take the vinegar and pour it on collards and cabbage. And I'll show you how I do that when I get to that point. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.